In this video, I'll show you how to link TikTok with Payoneer. First, open the TikTok app or TikTok website and log in to the account where you receive earnings. This may be from TikTok Creator Marketplace, TikTok Shop, affiliate earnings, gifts, or another TikTok monetization feature available in your country. Next, go to your profile and open the menu. Look for sections like Creator Tools, Balance, Monetization, TikTok Shop Seller Center, or Payout Settings. The exact option can be different depending on your account type and the TikTok service you are using. Once you find the payout or payment section, choose the option to add or manage your payment method. If Payoneer is supported for your account, you should see Payoneer listed as one of the available payout options. Select Payoneer, then continue. TikTok may redirect you to a Payoneer login or setup page. If you already have a Payoneer account, choose Sign In and enter your Payoneer email and password. If you do not have one yet, choose the option to create a new Payoneer account and follow the registration steps. When signing in, make sure the name and personal details on your TikTok account match your Payoneer account. If the information does not match, your payout setup may be delayed or rejected. After logging into Payoneer, review the permission request. TikTok may ask Payoneer to connect your account for payouts. Confirm the connection only if you are on the official TikTok or Payoneer page. Next, return to TikTok and check your payout settings. Your Payoneer account should now appear as a connected payment method. You may need to set it as your default payout option. Before receiving money, make sure your Payoneer account is fully verified. Open Payoneer and check the Verification Center for any pending requests. You may need to submit your ID, address document, bank details, or a questionnaire. If Payoneer does not appear as an option in TikTok, it may not be available for your country, your TikTok feature, or your account type. In that case, check the other payout methods shown inside TikTok. Once everything is connected, TikTok payments should be sent to Payoneer according to TikTok's payout schedule and minimum withdrawal rules. You can then withdraw the money from Payoneer to your linked bank account if bank withdrawals are available in your country. That's how to link TikTok with Payoneer safely. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.